this is what we have so far. And due to the time running very fast, I will end this here. My intention of doing this masterclass the way it is, so synth-oriented, was all about balancing out the rest of the Xenon music production suite. My fellow colleagues will take good care on explaining their thoughts and practice on arranging content like this, as well as the other components that make a Xenon-oriented track: kick, bass, percussion, pads, mixing and arrangement, etc. So I'm pretty happy that we have reached this far, and apart from what came from a sampler, mostly of our sounds were created from scratch out of a synthesizer. It was all meant on purpose, but it's also a big part of my process. It's how I like to work. I really hope you had fun and that you can somehow make use of some things I shared here. And I really hope you enjoy the whole package. And from me, this is it. And thank you very much for watching.